Hello my friends and welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these CTU men's fashion workout sweatpants. So these come in different colors, gray, blue, black, white, and like a darker gray. Looks pretty nice, light duty. Got 4 pockets here, one's in the back. 2 here in the front, and also 2 here in the front with Velcro. So it looks like it'd probably even fit your phone in there if you wanted. And nice little drawstring here. Let's go ahead and try these on and see how they look. Okay friends, well they seem to fit pretty nice. I got room for my phone in here in the pocket right there too. Put that in there. Definitely like loose and comfortable. I can do whatever, boom, go running, and they seem pretty nice. Pockets, I usually like my pockets a little bit deeper, so if I put my wallet in here, it's still fine, but it is comfortable. It's like nice soft material and feels like breathable. Also doesn't feel like all clinging to you, so if you're gonna wear like shorts or whatever working out, these also can come up here. Has a nice elastic on the bottom. So that way you can, if you do want to make it into some shorts, you could pull it up there, or it goes over your socks or whatever. So pretty comfortable. The drawstrings really nice there. Lots of pockets is what I like. So it's comfortable and nice and loose fitting. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.